Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, we will discuss about the syllabus first because exams are near, expected to be start from 8th July. So you will be having first second language exam because already you have written English exam, so second language exam is there. So we will discuss the syllabus first, then we will proceed towards the paper pattern of the exam. Okay. Here Department of Arabic, Osmania University, syllabus for undergraduate courses BA, BSc, BCom and BBA. Second language Arabic with effect from 2019-2020 under CBCS, under the choice based credit system for the year 2020 and 21. Title of paper: Classical Prose, Grammar and History of Literature. Contents: in semester third you have 3 units. Unit first belongs to Classical Prose, contains 2 lessons: Al-Quranul Kareem, the Noble Quran, and Al-Hadithun Nabawi Sharif, the prophetic tradition. Okay. Unit second belongs to Grammar, contains 2 lessons. Number 1, Al-Failul Mudari'u Al-Mansubu, and second is Al-Failul Mudari'u Al-Majzumu. Lesson number 1, Al-Failul Mudari'u Al-Mansub. It means imperative tense in subjunctive case, and this is imperative tense in jussive case. Second one. Now come to unit third, History of Arabic Literature. It has 2 lessons. Number 1, Al-Adabul Arabi fil Asril Umayyi, Arabic literature during Umayyad period. Then lesson number 2 is Abrazus Shora'i fil Asril Umayyi, prominent poets of Umayyad period. A. Jarir, B. Akhtal, C. Farazdaq, D. Amr bin Abi Rabia. This is your syllabus. Now come to paper pattern. We will discuss the paper pattern of the coming exam. Here it is. This is your paper pattern. Your paper pattern contains 2 sections, section A and section B. Section A belongs to essay type questions, short answer type questions, and section B belongs to LAQs, long answer type questions. Section A carries 20 marks and section B carries 60 marks. In section A, he will give you 6 questions. Out of 6, he will ask you to answer 4 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Okay. Got it? For example, here it is given, translate the following passage with reference to context. He is asking us to translate the passage, given passage, in your own language. قد جاء القرآن الكريم رحمة وهداية وتذكيرا وبشرى لجميع الناس وخلافا للكتب السماوية نزل القرآن المجيد نجما على قلب المصطفى صلى الله عليه وسلم بواسطة سيدنا جبرائيل عليه السلام وقبل نزوله إلى نبينا عليه السلام كان القرآن محفوظا في اللوح المحفوظ. This is the passage he is asking us to translate. How we will translate? Here it is. Qad ja'al Quranul Karimu. Indeed, the noble Quran has come as a mercy, guidance, glad tidings, and plain warmer for all human beings. In contrast to the previous divine scriptures, the glorious Quran has been revealed gradually on the heart of the Prophet through the angel called Jibreel alayhi salam. May Allah shower peace on him. Before its revelation on our Prophet, the Quran was preserved on the protected tablet. In this way you have to answer. कुरान मजीद रहमत, हिदायत और डराने वाला, खुशखबरी देने वाला बनाकर भेजा गया है तमाम इंसानियत के लिए। इससे पहले की किताबें के बरखिलाफ़, इससे पहले की आसमानी किताबों के बरखिलाफ़ कुरान मजीद को थोड़ा थोड़ा रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के क़ल्ब मुबारक पर नाजिल किया गया जिब्राईल अलैहिस्सलाम के ज़रिए से। ये नाजिल होने से पहले, हमारे नबी पर नाजिल होने से पहले कुरान मजीद लौहे महफूज पर महफूज था, सेफ था। दिस इज़ योर शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन। Question number 1. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is answer the following question. Uzkur asma'a a'immatil hadithil mashhurin. He is asking us to mention the names of the famous hadith narrators, hadith imams, the famous hadith imams. So we have to mention the names of the hadith imams only. What are the names of the hadith imam? The names are first is Imam al-Bukhari. Okay. Imam Bukhari, name 1. And second name is Imam Muslim, Imam Abu Dawud, Imam An-Nasai, Imam At-Tirmidhi, Imam Ibn Majah. ये जो है 6 इमाम्स के नाम आपको लिखना है. These are the 6 famous hadith imams of the prophetic traditions. Now come to question number 3. Write 5 examples by using the following words. He is asking us to write 5 examples by using the following words. Okay. 5 words are given. We have to write 5 examples. Istamil al-huruf at-taliya. Istamil al-huruf at-taliyata fil jumal al-arabiyya. Fi jumal al-arabiyya. Use the following words for making 5 Arabic sentences. Lan is given, kai is given, idhan is given, lam is given, and lamma is given. We have to give the examples of these words. So first we will give the example of lan. We will take the example of lan first. We will write it. Lan azriba insanan. I will never hit any man. Lan azriba insanan. I will never hit any man. Or lan aqtula insanan. I will never kill any man. Now come to kai. Example of kai. Adrusu kai anjaha. I study to get successful, to get pass. Adrusu kai anjaha. And next example, idan. Ishtahid, idan tanja. Ishtahid, idan tanja. It means work hard to get success. Lam. The example of lam is lam ashribi shaya. I did not drink tea. Lamma. Example of lamma is lamma ashriba shaya. I did not drink tea so far. In this way we have to give the examples. Got it? Come to next question. Question number 4. Write any 5 meanings from the following words. Uktub khamsata maanin min al kalimati latiya. Give the meanings. Uktub, write 5 meanings of the following words. Arsala. Arsala means he sent. वो भेजा. तनावला, eat, खाना. at-tadakir, at-tadakir means tickets. at-tatawwur, development. nazala, revealed. taqreer, lecture. masdar, source. yahfaduna, they remember, they by heart or they memorize. This was the exercise, this was the question number 4. Come to question number 5. Convert any 5 of the following singular into plural. Hati khamsata jumu'in minal kalimati taliya. Make 5 plurals from the following words. Sahifatun. Sahifatun means newspaper and the plural is sahaifu. Sahaifu. Ayatun is singular. Ayatun means verse and the plural is ayatun. Ummun, ummahatun. Tahiyatun, tahiyatun. Zawjatun, azwajun. Qawlun, aqwalun. Masdarun, masadiru. And failun, af'alun. This is question number 5. Come to question number 6. Write about the prose during Umayyad period. Uktub anin nasr fil asril umawi. Write about the prose literature during Umayyad period. We have to by heart this answer and we have to write in the exam. Now come to section B. Section B carries 60 marks and he will give you 3 questions with internal choice. This or that, this or that, this or that. In this format you have to answer the questions. You have to you may produce your answer in 300 words because it carries 20 marks each. Okay. Answer all the questions. Each question carries 20 marks. 3 into 20 is equal to 60 marks. Question number 1. Write the summary of the lesson Al-Quranul Kareem. Uktub khulasata darsi Quranin Kareem. He is asking us to give the summary of the Noble Quran. So we have to write it. Or else we can go for describe the summary of the lesson Al-Hadithun Nabawiyyu Sharif. Uktub khulasata darsil Hadithin Nabawiyyu Sharif. Okay. This or that. Any one you have to answer. These are the long answer type questions. I will share with you in my later classes. I will explain these answers in my upcoming classes. Now come to question number 8. Explain al-failul mudari'u al-mansubu with examples. Bayyin al-fail al-mudari' al-mansub ma'al amthilati. Write the imperfect tense in accusative form. Write the imperfect tense in accusative form with examples. Okay, this is the question we have to solve. Now come to write in detail about al-failul mudari'u al-majzumu with examples. Uktub anil failil mudari'il majzumi bil amsilati. Write about the imperfect tense in gessive form. Okay, in gessive form with examples. This we will learn. This we will discuss in our upcoming classes. Now come to question number 9. What do you know about the poet Jarir? Write in detail. मादा तारीफ़ अन शायर जरीर उक्तुब अनहु बितफसील. Or write in detail about the poet Amr ibn Abi Rabia uktub an shair Amr bin Abi Rabia mufassilan. Okay. This is long answer. These are long answer type questions which you have to answer in not less than 300 words. Okay. This is your paper pattern.